In front of me is LENOVO Tab P12 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this icon over a photo with a paper clip at the bottom right corner. And to add any photos, select one of those apps, click on Images at the top or click on those three lines at the top left corner to access one of those sources. Either way, after finding your photos to add, hold the chosen ones and hit select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!